These tiny crochet swim rings are a fun way to add a summer touch to your project. They are perfect for amigurumi dolls, keychain or bag charms. Today I'll show you how to make both. Grab your yarn and hook and let's get started. Make a slip knot. Then chain 10. Join the chain into a ring with a slip stitch. Now we are ready for round 1. Work 1 single crochet into each chain. You should have 10 single crochets at the end of the round. If you are new to crochet, placing a stitch marker in the last or first stitch will make it much easier to keep track of your rounds. From now on, we'll simply keep working in continuous rounds. Work 1 single crochet into every stitch. I'm making 40 rounds because that's the size I need for my next project. But you can easily make yours shorter or longer. As the tube grows, add small amount of stuffing little by little. Don't overstuff it, the tube should stay soft and flexible. Here's the finished tube. To make the classical striped float, crochet the tube exactly the same way. The only difference is changing colors every 4 rounds. Let me show you the easiest way to change the colors. Work the last single crochet of the round, but don't finish it with old color. Instead, pick up the new yarn and pull it through the final loop to complete the stitch. Now continue crocheting with the new color. When you reach the end of the 4th colored round, switch back to white using exactly the same way. Once your tube is finished and stuffed, leave a long tail for sewing and fasten off. To make a clean invisible finish, insert your needle under the 2nd stitch of the round, skipping the 1st stitch. Then bring the yarn back through the center of the last stitch. Now sew the both ends of the tube together to form the swim ring. Now let's crochet the duck head. Start with a magic ring. Wrap the yarn around your fingers. Insert your hook into the ring, pull up a loop, and chain 1 to secure it. And work 6 single crochets into the magic ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Pull the tail to close the ring. And I like to place a stitch marker in the last stitch. For round 2, work an increase into every stitch. That means you crochet 2 single crochets into each stitch. You will have 12 stitches at the end of the round. Show you one more time. 2 single crochets in one stitch. For round 3, work 1 single crochet, then an increase. Repeat this pattern all the way around for a total of 18 stitches. I'll show you once more. 1 single crochet, then an increase. For round 4, work 2 single crochets, 1 and 2, then an increase. Repeat all the way around. You will finish with 24 stitches. 2 single crochets and increase. Rounds 5 and 6 are easy. Just make 1 single crochet into every stitch. In round 7, first make 10 single crochets. For the next 4 stitches, work through the back loops only. We'll come back to the front loops later to crochet the beak. And finish the round with 10 more single crochets. Round 8 is 1 single crochet in every stitch. For round 9, work 1 single crochet, then an invisible decrease. To make an invisible decrease, insert your hook through the front loops of the next 2 stitches. Yarn over, pull through the both front loops, then finish the single crochet as usual. Repeat this pattern all the way around. I'll show you one more time. 1 single crochet, then a decrease. You end the round with 16 stitches. And one more time faster. Stuff the hat. For the final round, work 8 invisible decreases. Leave a long tail for sewing and fasten off. Now let's crochet the beak. Go back to the front loops we left in round 7. Join the orange yarn. Chain 1. Work 1 single crochet into each of the next 2 stitches. 1 and 2. Then finish with 1 slip stitch. Fasten off and weave in the yarn ends. Embroider the eyes. Finally sew the hat onto the pull float. And that's it, your mini crochet duck float are ready. If you enjoyed this tutorial, I'd really appreciate a like. And if you'd like to see more beginner friendly crochet projects, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for crocheting with me today and happy crocheting!